So today we have a new video series or a single video maybe for a place called Barby. I came here with the bicycle with my drone and everything. It's around 20 kilometers from the place where I live in. It took me 1.5 hours, including an half-hour stop for some food and drinks. The surface was plain, so it was not really tough bicycling, even though I am not very much used to it. So let's see this drone view of this place. The place is called Elbe. The place is called Barby, and it's situated at the edge of a river called Elbe in North Germany, northeast Germany, in the state of Sachsen-Anhalt. Okay.
Tried so hard just to get by. You've cried enough, hiding a smile. You're bright and flashy to look at, but you just wanna be seen. It's not too late to walk